Oh my God! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with Chef Life JA. Yay! Guess what, people? Yo, you know some guy people in the supermarket and forgot. People, be sure know what go on. Boy, know where in itself. Alright? I'll show you what goes on when I reach on the location, alright? Yeah, so remember to tell a friend. Boy, this Personal Chef Service in Jamaica, see? Oh my God! One chef life. Personal Chef Service with Chef Life JA. And you know that today we're at Dream 36. Oh my God. Yeah. In a lovely, beautiful community of Iron Shore, right, people? Yeah. In a real life. So you don't know, yeah. So let's go. Let's get this cracking. Tell a friend. Oh my God. Alright, so I don't know people say, oh, they a Dream 36 again, once again. I understand. In a real life. Yeah. So we have one couple over here that requests our service, alright? Yeah, so we're gonna do the right thing. Okay? Okay. That is it. And this is Dream 36. Oh my God. Hey, oh my God. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, alright? So you know that we're on our location right now and here getting our breakfast ready right now for our lovely couple. Oh my God. Yeah, man, saying also that we'll be preparing some nice dress, sachets and some hot fish fritters, yeah, some pancake circles, blueberry sauce. Oh my God, hey, some scrambled eggs, yeah, kind of nice fruit platter. Yeah, man, so people, oh my God, remember, link to book this location will be in the description, alright? Yeah, man, we sure know our one. Yeah, we don't have fun this year. Don't spice it enough to enjoy it. Have a cod fish right here. Have a blueberry sauce over here. Yeah, we have some nice fruits, alright. We have a nice watermelon. Yeah, we have a nice kiwi right here. Yeah, we have gooseberry, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. Some nice fresh orange here. We also have some grape in the fridge here. So this is my pancake batter, alright. And this is the bananas that we are already crushed and added to that. And these are all the things that we prep already for milk and fish with us, alright? Eggs and yeah, and you can see it's already set. Look at it. Oh my God. Yeah, people, so remember anyone, just tell a friend where this Personal Chef Service. Alright? Yeah, man, and that is it. So definitely say if you're interested in this location, a link will be in the description, alright? Yeah, man, so remember to tell a friend. Yeah, and I also travel as well. Oh my God. Yeah. So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Breakfast, early morning. Maybe. Oh my God. Oh my God, so we have a codfish that does a fryer now, you understand? We have a banana pancake. So I say banana pancake, people, banana. Oh my God, banana. And then our codfish fritters. And so now I'm gonna make my nice food platter right now, yeah? And for our codfish fritters, yeah, have this breakfast ready by 10:30, okay? Oh my God. Yeah, people. So yeah, man, remember, tell a friend with this person, just service. Yeah, we'll do the right thing. I'm gonna do the right thing. Oh my God. Yeah. Joke about it. Yeah. Remember saying just Jamaica alone provides for this. Okay, that you can join. You also take the flying too as well. Yeah. See if you really want my service, travel, come somewhere, I will definitely travel and come here. So definitely. So now we have to go on service. Sure. god. Yeah, breakfast ready now, people. Yeah, one time I think about breakfast. Yeah, anytime you're hurry, yeah. Take some picture. Oh my god! So people, that was a epic one. You understand? Yeah, unfortunately I didn't get to do it, so the video didn't come out. Yeah, but it's a great, excellent breakfast here at Dream 36 people. You understand? Yeah, they love the food, they love the codfish. And I've never had codfish fritters before, aka Tampango. They don't know, so I was up on the go. Yeah, so let's continue going the right thing. Alright? So yeah man, so remember, tell a friend boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica, alright? Oh my god. One team chef life. Oh my god, security. Bye. Take care, okay? Yeah, so people, have yourself a blessed night or day wherever you are, right? Oh my god, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service, yeah? With Chef Life J.A. Yeah. Oh my god, so I don't know say what day in downtown Montego Bay right now, people. Yeah, see? Yeah, so you're right about now. I'm about to go to Bay Point. Sorry, Bay Point me I go right now, yeah? Yeah, I'll cook for me. Today we are cooking for our IG followers, alright? Oh my god! Yes, I don't know some IG followers book them plate and come to Jamaica to eat my Chef Life J.A. food. Oh my god! You can't do a Jamaica and not eat some of my food. Stay out, come and go on the journey. Show now what I go on right now, that morning, yeah? Oh my god. Alright? Yeah. So remember to tell a friend boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica, alright, ladies and gentlemen? Don't joke about it. Come, right? Oh my god, yes people, so you know that we are on our location, yeah, in Bay Point, Montego Bay, Freeport here. Oh my god, yeah, so we're gonna cook some brunch ready by 10, but I'm gonna be ready by 9:45 latest. Yeah, I really love such a beautiful morning here in JA, yay. See that? Your bird. Yeah, the beautiful birds in the background. Oh my god. So yeah, we'll just continue to do the right thing. So if you don't have any question about this service, all you gotta do is send me an email, alright? Yay. Oh my god. Welcome to one of the personal chef service. You know we're on location now, alright? Oh my god, I'm bringing a great day. Yeah, say what's up. Let's get this thing cracking, right? Oh my god, tell a friend. Oh my god.
Get my pen right in there. Stop getting my pen. Oh, I can't the other name.
So it's your first time here in Jamaica?
That's my third time.
Awesome. Seem like you Montego Bay?
What time? You want to be Saturday?